Welcome everyone to our algebra series, the JSS aspect of it. Today we'll be taking the subtopic word problems involving simple equations. First, we take the example. If the sum of a certain number and 17 is 42, what is the number? The options are given. Solution. Let the number be y. Then from the first statement, we told that y plus 17 is equals to 42. From there, we make y the subject formula. Y will be equals to 42 minus 17. Collecting like terms together, the result will be y equals to 25. Another example. If the result of s plus 18 is 6 plus 4s, what is the value of x? The options are given. Solution. The unknown here has been lettered x. Thus, x plus 18 is equals to 6 plus 4s. Next, we collect like terms together. And that will give us 18 minus 6 will be equals to 4s minus s. And the result is 12 equals to 3x. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 3, x will be equals to 4. Another example. A number is multiplied by 4 and 17 is added. If the result is 41, find the number. The options are given. Let y represent the unknown number. Then our first statement is y times 4. Next, the second statement is y times 4 plus 17. Next, the whole statement put together is y times 4 plus 17 equals to 41. But 4 is the same thing as 4y, since y4 is too childish. Thus, solving, we have 4y plus 17 will be equals to 41. Collecting like terms together, we have 4y will be equals to 41 minus 17. That is to say, 4y will be equals to 24. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4. So we now have 4y divided by 4 equals to 24 divided by 4. When we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, we have 4y divided by 4 will be equals to 24 divided by 4. And the result will be y equals to 6. Another example. When x is added to a number, which is 4 times as big, the result is 30. What is the value of x? The options are given. Solution. The unknown here is already given as x. Thus, x plus, the bracket open 4 times x, bracket close, is equals to 30. That is to say, when we open up our bracket, we'll be having x plus 4s is equals to 30. The result is 5s equals to 30. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 5 here. We now have 5x divided by 5 will be equals to 30 divided by 5. And the result is x equals to 6. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises from page 51 and 52 of the hidden facts JSSCE mathematics. Try your hands on those exercises. Quickly, we start with our next subtopic. We'll be treating some examples under this heading, subheading, equations with brackets. Our first example, solve the equation 3 into bracket open s plus 3 equals to 19. The options are given. First, we write out our problem, which is 3 into bracket open s plus 3, bracket close equals to 19. We have that 3s plus 9 will be equals to 19. What we have just done, we've just used 3 to multiply the product of whatever the content of the bracket. Next, we collect like terms together, and we have 3s will be equals to 19 minus 9. Our result is 3s equals to 10. Next, dividing both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 3, we now have 3x divided by 3 will be equals to 10 divided by 3. And our result will be x equals to 3 whole number 1 over 3. Another example. If bracket open 19 minus y, bracket close is equals to y, what is the value of y? The options are given. Solution. We write out our problem. Bracket open 19 minus y, bracket close is equals to y. Next, we open up the bracket since nothing is standing by the bracket to multiply it. So we now have 90 minus y will be equals to y. Next, we collect like terms together. We now have our result will be 90 equals to y plus y. And that will be 90 equals to 2y. Next, we divide both sides by the quotient of y, which is 2. So our result will be 90 divided by 2 will be equals to 2y divided by 2. And that will be y equals to 45. Another example. Solve the equation 2 into bracket open 1 minus 5s bracket close plus 3 into bracket open 2 plus 5s bracket close equals to 28. The options are given. Solution. We write out our given problem, which is 2 into bracket open 1 minus 5s bracket close plus 3 into 2 plus 5s bracket close equals to 28. We open up brackets. We now have 2 minus 10x. As 2 multiply the content of the first bracket plus 6 plus 15s will be equals to 28. Next, we collect like terms together. We now have minus 10s plus 15s will be equals to 28 minus 2 minus 6. 5x will be equals to 28 minus 8. 5s is equals to 20. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 5 here. We now have 5s divided by 5 will be equals to 20 divided by 5. And that is x equals to, our result is s equals to 4. Another example. Find the solution of 5 into x minus 4, bracket open and close, minus 4 into x plus 1, bracket open and close, will be equals to 0. The options are given. Solution. Let us write out our problem, which is 5 into x minus 4, bracket open and close, minus 4 into x plus 1, bracket open and close equals to 0. Opening up the brackets, note the minus 4 before the bracket. The result will be 5x minus 20 minus 4 equals to 0. Next, we collect like terms together. That will be 5s minus 4s will be equals to 20 plus 4. X will be equals to 24. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises from our page 52 and 53 of the Hidden Facts JSSCE Mathematics. I advise you try your hands on the exercises while we quickly move to our next subtopic, word problem under equations with a bracket. Examples. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 30. Find the smallest of the numbers. The options are given. Solution. The word consecutive means one after the other, just like 1, 2, 3, are consecutive. Let the smallest number be x. Then x plus bracket open x plus 1 plus bracket open x plus 2 bracket close will be equals to 30. Opening up our bracket freely, since they are all positive, we now have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 will be equals to 30. And our result will be 3x plus 3 equals to 30. Next, we collect like terms together. 3x will be equals to 30 minus 3. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of s. We now have 3x divided by 3 will be equals to 27 divided by 3. And x will be equals to 9. Another example. 2 consecutive numbers are such that the greater added to twice the smaller make a total of 52. Find the number. Solution. Let the numbers be x, which is the smaller, and x plus 1, which is the greater. Thus, from the statement, x plus 1, bracket open and close, plus 2x will be equals to 52. Open up the bracket, we have x plus 1 plus 2x will be equals to 52. Next, we collect like terms together. We now have x plus 2x will be equals to 52 minus 1. That is to say, 3x will be equals to 51. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 3. And then we now have 3x divided by 3 will be equals to 51 divided by 3. X will be equals to 17. And x plus 1 will be equals to 18. Another example. 2 consecutive numbers are such that the greater added to twice the smaller makes a total of 53. Find the number. Solution. Let the 2 consecutive numbers be x and x plus 1. X being the smaller and x plus 1 being the greater. Thus, we can say x plus 1, bracket open and close, plus 3x is equals to 53 from our statement. From here we open up the bracket freely and we have x plus 1 plus 3x will be equals to 53. Collecting like terms together, we have x plus 3x will be equals to 53 minus 1. From here, we have 4x will be equals to 52. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 4. We have 4x divided by 4 will be equals to 52 divided by 4. And that is to say x is equals to 13. Another example. The sum of 3 consecutive even number is 72. The highest of the 3 numbers is, this is not the usual consecutive 3 numbers of x, comma, and x plus 1, then x plus 2. Here, the required ones are even. Once we have s, we have s plus 2, and next we have s plus 4. To prove your doubt, you can try any set of even numbers. Thus, we can now conclusively say x plus 2, bracket open and close, plus x plus 4, bracket open and close, equals to 72. Opening up our bracket freely, since we are dealing with plus alteration, we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 72. That is 3s plus 6 equals to 72. We collect like terms together, so we have 3s equals to 72 minus 6. From here, you can conveniently divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is 3. We now have 3s divided by 3 will be equals to 66 divided by 3. And our result will be x equals to 22. But x is the smallest of the 3 numbers. Thus, the highest of the 3 numbers is x plus 4. Hence, we have our result. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises at page 54 of hidden facts in JSSCE mathematics. Please try your hands on the exercises. Answers are given at the answer section of the hidden fact in JSSCE maths, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.